If you're still frying eggs this way, stop immediately. Today I'm going to guide you on how to make delicious eggs like in a 5-star restaurant. Let's get started. First, place the pot on the stove and add about 1 liter of water. Gently place 7 eggs into the pot of water. You can add more if you like. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and stir well. Put the lid back on and turn on the stove. Once the water starts boiling, reduce the heat and simmer for 6 minutes. Do you find these 2 cats adorable? Leave a comment below to let me know. After 6 minutes, open the lid and take the eggs out into a bowl of cold water. Putting eggs in cold water immediately after boiling offers a key benefit that helps create perfect eggs. When hot eggs come into sudden contact with cold water, the egg white contracts faster than the shell, preventing the green ring around the yolk. Eggs retain heat very well. If you only remove them from the basket, the internal temperature will continue to rise, causing the eggs to overcook, resulting in tough egg whites and dry, crumbly yolks. Soak the eggs in water for about 5 minutes. Once the egg has cooled, gently tap a line along the egg with a knife and peel it along this line. Wow, eggs are so easy to peel after soaking in water. How do you usually boil and peel eggs? Please let me know in the comments below. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's amazing that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Next, place the pan on the stove and pour in just the right amount of cooking oil, making sure it's not too much. Once the oil is hot, gently drop each egg into the pan, being careful to avoid the oil splattering and burning your hands. Wait until the outer shell of the egg gradually turns golden yellow, then use a spatula to flip each egg one by one, patiently turning them evenly until all sides are golden brown. Once the eggs are cooked to a golden brown, remove them from the pan and place them on a plate. Now for the most important part. Start making the sauce. You crush 3 cloves of garlic. After crushing and chopping them into small pieces, garlic is the main ingredient in this sauce. After finely chopping the garlic, fry it until golden brown. Add about 2 tablespoons of sugar. Add about 2 tablespoons of chili sauce. Add about 50 milliliters of soy sauce. Add about 50 milliliters of lemon juice. One teaspoon mustard. Then mix thoroughly to form a smooth, creamy mixture. Next, add the eggs to the pot, pour in the prepared sauce, and simmer over low heat until the eggs slowly absorb the flavors and turn an attractive golden color. Once the eggs have reached the desired golden color, gently transfer them to a plate and sprinkle with chopped scallions. Next up is a refreshing, easy-to-make, and delicious salad to accompany your meal. Cut the cucumber into 4 pieces and then chop it finely. It's wonderful to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. After chopping them, put them in a large bowl. Next, half an onion diced. Next, add a diced tomato. Next, you need to chop the coriander finely. Now add 1 tablespoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Finally, add 30 milliliters of lemon juice and mix well. This simple salad, with its fresh and delicious flavor, helps to balance and complete a meal. With just a few simple tips, you can create a delicious, visually appealing, and meaningful dish. No fancy ingredients or complicated techniques are needed. With a little skill and creativity, you can transform familiar eggs into a dish that is both attractive and unique. If you find this fried egg recipe interesting and helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share the video to support me. Turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple yet creative cooking recipes. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.